Alright everybody, the bike is finally fixed. The sound is gone. I finally figured out what it was. Let me pan down here to my extra engine that I have. So it was indeed the shift fork return spring, or the arm, that actually caused the problem. When this spring broke, it allowed the pivot point right here to come down and scrape on this Layshaft gear right here. So if you can imagine this coming all the way down here and scraping every once in a while or whatever, over time you'll see on here that it I don't know if this will focus, but it mushrooms the outer lip there. You really can't tell until you, let me see if I can even focus. Well, anyways, all these teeth were mushroomed on the top. Not bad. And so I took this spare engine that I have here and took the Layshaft gear off and put it in the bike and fired right up without a sound. And normally the sound would be there right away. So comparing the two Layshaft gears, they're both they both had mushrooming, but the one out of this engine that I put in the bike is it was less. So you can even see in here on my spare engine that this happened once before. You can see the chunk taken out there in the case and some scraping down in here. And upon examination of this shift fork, this is actually the newer not recalled, but the service bulletin part, because originally these two Allen bolts just had washers on them, and they did away with that and actually got like an actual big clip, one solid piece of washer. And so the previous owner must have taken this to Ducati and had them replace that, but he definitely had was getting close to the same sound I was getting. So you know, after I got in there and replaced this spring and updated this whole entire shift mechanism so it wasn't riding on the Layshaft gear anymore, I would have been good for the life of the bike, but that sound was just so annoying. But at least I figured it out what it was. It's a Layshaft gear. These only come in a pair. You have to buy them together. I found a pair on eBay for 50 bucks. It's going to come with this Layshaft gear and the timing gear right here. But I just need a Layshaft. So if you guys have that sound, that is definitely what it is. Only took me 3 weeks to figure it out.